Greetings everyone. Today we want to know more on how to use convert formula in Excel. Convert formula. We want to use it to convert height to inches. It will be easier if we do it together. Okay? Take a look at this. So we have in inches here. Let's quickly format our table together by selecting this table and make them. Okay, we can increase the font size. Okay, can change. Okay, so okay, okay. Our table is formatted. This is the height in feet. We want to convert it to inches. Okay. Now we are going to use what we know very well as what? Convert formula. The use of convert formula. So instead of stressing yourself using your ruler or using your calculator to punch it one after the other, you can easily drop it. Okay. Come to that Excel. The use of equal sign, or you can use plus sign, in as the case may be. I use plus sign here. Convert. Now what are you converting? You select the first cell that is in feet, comma. Make sure you use open and close quote because you are now going to letters. It's now in feet first. We are moving from feet to what, comma, to what? Inches. What do you see? You close your bracket, click enter. You can see it is done. You flash fill. Isn't that easy? So instead of going a long way doing it, it is best